Hey everybody, it's Scott Smith coming to you from Thousand Oaks, California. Just got our first M235 coupe in stock for 2014. Thought I'd do a quick little run around for you on this car. Beautiful, phenomenal car. Got it here in the Alpine white. Black interior, premium package, technology package, and it's the M version 235, so it comes standard with all the M badging, cosmetics, performance. Great looking car, phenomenal drive. It's got a great sound to it. Thought I'd do a quick little run around before someone buys it up in the next 10 minutes. Under 50 grand too. Decent mileage. Check out the interior. We got the black interior. Nice paneling. Actually some decent space compared to the 1 Series it's replacing. Seat belts for 4. Got the black headliner, comes standard. You get around to the driver's side. No, I got some more on the way, but it's gonna take a little while. Obviously, we're pre-selling a lot of these in California. Phenomenal steering wheel, M. Starts under 44 grand, man. Can't beat it. Guys, get the performance stats off the BMW website. Yeah, and give me a thumbs up if you can, guys, on the video. I'll try to send you guys new videos of new stuff coming in as soon as it hits the dealership. Have a good one. Bye-bye.